Hello, fellow travelers. Today we journey to Switzerland. It is a land of stunning beauty. Think of towering snow-capped Alps, imagine clear, sparkling blue lakes. Switzerland, famous for being neutral, it stays out of big wars, conflicts. This piece part of its control. Swiss are known for precision. Their watches are world famous. They keep perfect time always, and the trains they run like clockwork. You can set your watch by them. This punctuality is a way of life. It shows respect for others' time. Everything is orderly and efficient. Switzerland is a cultural mosaic. It has four national languages. You shall hear German, French, and Italian, and the unique Romansh language too. Each region has its own feel, like visiting several countries in one. This diversity makes Switzerland fascinating. It's created a rich culture tapestry, but there is more than meets the eye. We want to see the real Switzerland beyond the tourist everyday Swiss life. From bustling cities to quiet villages, we shall discover how people live. Join me as we explore its heart. Let's uncover its unique spirit. Imagine growing up in a Swiss city. Places like Zurich or Geneva, home with life. Kids use excellent public transport. Trains and buses take them everywhere. They visit museums after school or play in beautiful, clean parks. City life is safe and organized. There is always something to do. No picture life in a country village. Swiss children here grew up with nature. Mountains are their playground. They go hiking in the summer and cycling in the winter snow. Some might sell from small family farms. Life is quite closer to land, fresh air, and open space around. School is important for all Swiss kids, but not everyone aims for university. Many choose apprentices after school. This is a practical hands-on training. They learn a skilled trade like watchmaking, baking, or mechanics. This system is highly respected. It leads to good jobs and careers. Swiss boys and girls share some things. They learn about responsibility early. The school system is very good. It teaches them many useful skills. For boys, military service common. They can do civilian service. Community and hard work are valued. These are Swiss valued not young. Let's talk about university in Switzerland. Swiss universities are top notch. They have a great global reputation. Students come from all over the world. Tuition fees are often quite reasonable, especially compared to places like the USA. This makes good education accessible. It is a smart place to study. Studying here is a bit different. Students need to be very independent. You might manage your own learning. Professions expect you to be self-motivated. Lecturers can be in large halls with hundreds of other students. There is less handholding, more freedom. It teaches you to take initiative. Students' life is not all on campus. Many students don't live in dorms. They find apartments in the city or commute from their family. So they are part of a local community. They shop at local markets, use city parks. University life blends into city life. It is a more integrated experience. Swiss universities are very international. You shall meet people from everywhere. This creates a vibrant, multicultural feel. You learn from different perspectives. There is a strong focus on research. Students might get involved in the projects. It is a place for new ideas and for making global connections. Now, let's visit a Swiss village. Just charming wooden chalets, bright and geraniums spill from window boxes. Cobblestone streets wind through the town. There is a strong sense of community. Neighbors know each other well. Life often moves at a slower pace. It is a peaceful and very picturesque. Villages cherish their old traditions. You might see local festivals with colorful costumes and lovely music. Perhaps you shall hear yodeling echo or the deep sound of an alphorn. Local markets sell handmade crafts and delicious regional foods too. These customs keep their heritage alive, but villages life is not stuck in the past. Tradition and modernity go hand in the hands. People might work in modern industries, maybe in touch of finance nearby. They come home to their village. They participate in age-old customs. It's a fascinating, successful brand. It's a fascinating. This blend is key to Swiss